Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new toy haul video. And I know I was supposed to get a review out today, but I went figure shopping and I never got around to it. So I'll have a full-fledged review out for you guys tomorrow. But for today, to make up for it, sort of, toy haul video. So I got the new Venom right here. Very excited for that. Got the new Taskmaster and I'm very excited to get him for this as well. And I'm excited to get the deluxe Black Widow and probably the entire wave in general because most of them do look pretty good. I can't lie. But underneath this, you guys are not ready. Here we go. Oh, you already saw it. Scarlet Witch and Vision though. Got these guys for less than $40 at GameStop. I think they're doing a re-release for WandaVision, which, you know, that's cool. But I'm very, very happy to have this finally because I know they were so expensive on eBay. So I'm glad I waited because these were less than $40. I think it's very worth it. Oh man, these look so good. And Vision's cape isn't popping off of his chest. I love that. I got so lucky with this. This was the only one there. But yeah, we got the Venom. They only had 3 there at my local toy store. I snagged the best looking one. I compared them each pretty closely. And then obviously, you know, Taskmaster. So yeah, like I said, full-fledged review tomorrow. Probably on the Harley and the Hulk Girl. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much. Peace. Alrighty then. I know I literally was just like, oh well, you know, peace. The video is over, but I can't wait to get these open. So let's do this. First off, let's do Venom. You know what? Yeah, let's do Venom. Of course we gotta do Venom first, man. This thing, I've been waiting for a figure of Venom for 2 years. Actually, last month, the movie had its 2-year anniversary. It's 2 years old now. So yeah, let's get this guy out of the package and see what all the hype is about. I mean, I know what the hype is about. It's freaking Venom, but yeah. I also know that the articulation is really good on this guy. Come on. There we go. Alright. Wow. Okay. Oh man, this is my first figure with this new ab crunch system. I like it. It's not bad. Alright, let's see how far he can look up. So I know that he doesn't have a hinge joint, but he can, you know. Okay, so that pops out. His jaw is on a soft... Hope it's not cut. No, it's just 2 pieces glued together. Okay. I know that you can kind of, let's see here. Kind of half it on the ball peg so you can look up further. I think that looks pretty sick, to be honest. I do like the way that head looks a lot. Let's pop the head back on. Yeah, he's looking pretty cool. Not even gonna lie. I actually might do that pinless mod too. That Unparalleled Universe did. Definitely, oh yeah, and he's nice and tall. Looks just like the movie. His nose are a little ugly, but that's okay. Alright, yeah, let's set him aside. Obviously, we're going to do a full review on each and every one of these figures, / 2-packs. Let's go with Taskmaster. And, you know, it was really funny what happened today. You know, I was looking for the deluxe Black Widow to go with this Taskmaster, the white one. And, you know, I was going to GameStop, which was going to be my last stop, to look for the Black Widow. And yeah, I found the WandaVision 2-pack there. These guys for $40, so less than $40. So yeah, I decided to get these instead because they were the last ones there for 1, and for 2, I've never seen that 2-pack in stores before. At least as far as I remember, I haven't. Or no, could be right. Yeah, let's get Taskmaster out here though. All right. Oh man, he looks so good. I love the movie design for Taskmaster. Definitely really, really cool stuff. Alright, joints are a little tight. That's okay. Ooh, his elbow. Jesus Christ. Disjointed elbow. Gotta make sure everything's in focus. There we go. Does this one do the same thing? Yeah, it does. Alright, you have to look out for that, I guess. No boot cut. Okay. Joints are a little tight, but I'm sure, you know, within a few days of play, that'll loosen right up. It'll be just fine. Waist joint. Ab crunch. Yeah, decent. Alright, I like him too. And now, Oh man, these look so good. I don't know, like, the Venom and the 2-pack were must-haves. The Taskmaster was cool because I was like, hey, you know, like, I can, like, Taskmaster and, you know, stuff like that. Like I said, I might get the whole Black Widow wave because most of it does look really good. Those comic figures, I mean, I don't know. I might review them just to have other videos on the channel, but, like, I might get rid of them after. I don't know, it really depends how I feel about them, you know. But, yeah. Let's get these guys open. Not sure why that little, paper is in there, but whatever. Get these tabs out of the way. Get these out of the box. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. Nothing flies out of the packet. There we go. Set this right there for now. Alright, yeah, there we go. Suspended in midair. They're floating. And I'm pretty sure both of these characters can fly, so yeah. That makes sense. Come on, Wanda. I'm so glad I finally have a Wanda for my MCU collection. I also want the figure arts, to be honest. Can't even lie, I want everything. I'm so spoiled, but dude, this looks really, really good. She looks just like Elizabeth Olsen. Definitely a really, really good impression in my opinion. I like her hands too, yeah. It's pretty good. It's a little dodgy, but it's alright. Could be worse. Joints are a little tight. And these are fine though. These aren't tight at all. Yeah, pretty decent. Come on. Let's just get the other. Okay, the top one here is a little tight, but like that's nice. Borders on the hips are decent. The abdominal articulation is nice, and the shoulders are a little tight. You might actually have to run it under hot water because that is. Okay, this one's fine. This one's questionable in that elbow rotation as well. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so this wrist is fine. This wrist is a little tight. Actually, no, I spoke too soon. So it's just really the elbow rotation and the hinge outward. But yeah, looks a lot like Elizabeth Olsen. Definitely like her a lot. And let's get Vision out here. Okay, so I know his cape is actually behind the, the package. So let's just go ahead and go from the feet and go up. All right, there we go. Ooh, sorry, that's really loud. Huh. Might have to hold it a little bit more. You know what? Let's just cut it. If we can. We might have to just take the cape off. But I don't want to ruin the flushness of the cape. Alright, let's see. Let's fold it up like fruit roll-up. 1 second. Alright, there we go. Have him out of package finally. Yeah, this Vision looks really nice. I like his head sculpt a lot. I think I still have my comic Vision too. That was one of the first figures I ever got. Jeez, that was wow, like almost 4 years ago now. No, it was over 4 years ago, I'm pretty sure. Or close to. I don't know. I don't even remember if I reviewed that thing. Probably not, because I didn't even review the Hulkbuster. That was in that same wave. It was the Marvel Now Iron Man wave, the Hulkbuster from Age of Ultron. Which, it's crappy Hulkbuster. I think I sold it. I can't remember. Okay, so the thigh rotations are really tight. Knees are fine. Ball joints at the hips are fine. Okay, so that one's going a little bit. What about this one? A little bit worse. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, the articulation's fine for the most part. Definitely like how flush that cape is. Look at that. That's really lucky. Might become less flush over time, but yeah. Alright, that's about it for this unboxing video. Don't forget to like me on Facebook, link will be in the description below. Instagram, spectrum.reviews. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!